Hello friends, may you all be safe. How we make Photoshop shorts. And then, how do we upload them to YouTube? This is my topic today. And I will try to tell you all this in very easy steps. And it's not that difficult, so let's start the video. I use Camtasia to capture the screen. Its default setting is something like this. It is 1080p HD, 1920 by 1080. But, since we want to make shorts, we will go to Custom. And I will tell you what settings I have. Have a width of 700 and a length of 900, then click on Apply. Now, I want to record for the shorts, so I'll click the record button. So, a separate window will open for recording. And, as soon as it opens, you will see that a green dotted line box has been created. Here too, you have to set the resolution to 700 by 900. Anything outside this green dotted line will not be recorded. That means whatever is inside this box will be recorded. So, we'll click on Photoshop's Restore button and adjust Photoshop so that it stays inside the green dotted line box. We will adjust the Photoshop on both the right and left sides. After adjusting, all we have to do now is click on the record button. After 3 seconds, Camtasia will start recording here. Now, you can start making your own shorts here. Let's say for this short, I take a gradient map here. And here I now expand the legacy gradients. And in this I expand on photographic toning. I'll select the gold one gradient and click OK here. Actually, I've made this short before. And we will also upload this short here on YouTube. Its blend mode is set to soft light and the opacity is set to 50%. And this image with gold effect is ready. You can see that this image is before and this image is after. You have to keep in mind that your short should be 59 seconds long. If the video is 1 minute or longer, YouTube will not consider it as a short. And you know very well that the short should be 59 seconds long. Now, we stop this recording here. When we stop, it will automatically go to Camtasia. Minimize Photoshop here. And this short in front of you has appeared in Camtasia. Now, the simple thing is that you have to export it. So, click on Export and then Local File. And here you have to choose MP4 only, up to 1080p. Limitation to MP4 only, up to 1080p, generally means your video should be in the MP4 container format. Here you have to select the folder for output as I have selected F drive. You can see that my hard drive is partitioned. There are 2 drives, one with 3 partitions, D, E and F. C drive is an SSD drive. And the remaining 3 partitions are of a 1 terabyte drive. Here, I have created a folder named Untitled Project. And as soon as I click Finish, it will save the video in the same folder. And as soon as you click Finish, Camtasia will start rendering. And after rendering, it will save it with the same Untitled project name. And the video will automatically play as soon as the rendering is finished. This means that your short is done here. And finally you have to click on Finish. Now, if you look in your folder, this short has been saved under the name of Untitled Project. I'm moving this video from here to the Shorts folder and change the name of the topic on which you created this short. This short is related to color grading in Photoshop with gradient map. You can also write a description of this short along with it. So, you can see that I have written the entire description. At the bottom are the tags, and you have to take these tags from a website. So, let me tell you about this website about tags. I have bookmarked this website. And this website is rapidtags.io/generator. From here you can generate tags for YouTube videos. Here you have to paste the title of your video. In this case, it will generate tags related to your video. That is, copy the name of the video and paste it on this website. So, as soon as you click on search, it will generate tags. After copying these tags, paste them into the file with the description. As you can see, I have pasted these tags. Now, we will open the YouTube website here. And after opening YouTube, you have to upload this video. Some people think that tags are not needed for shorts. But I think if someone is searching for this topic, your short might come up in that search. Not too long videos, shorts can also be found in the search. So, the viewer can also select your short. So now I'm going to upload the video here. And my video is in the Shorts folder. I will select this video that I made and click Open. And this short will start uploading here. To save time, I have already written the description. And I will select and copy all this written description here. After copying, I will paste this description into YouTube. YouTube doesn't need to tell you it's a short video. YouTube will automatically consider it short video after watching 58 seconds. Now, if you have created a playlist, like my playlist looks like this, then select the Shorts and click Done here. And here, set up the settings you want to keep here. And now it's time to copy and paste the tags. So, I copied the tags from the description file and pasted them into YouTube. Your tags should be up to 500, as my tags are up to 490. Here you have to make some other settings, such as selecting the language. Whatever settings you want to make here, you can do it here, as you wish, and be sure to do it. And after that you have to click on Next. Now, it will ask you about ad suitability. You can read all about ad suitability here. Is there any violence or inappropriate language used in this video? So, there's nothing like that in my video. So, I'll check out none of the above. And then I click it to submit the rating. After clicking on Submit Rating, you now click on Next. After that, it is up to you whether you want to use these 3 options or not. So it's simple, just click on Next. No issues found in copyright, meaning there is a green tick. It has also ticked green for add suitability. That is, there is no such problem in this video. Then click on Next again. And you have unlisted it, or I am going to make it public. And finally, I'll now click Publish. Now, if you want to share this video on any other platform, that is also your choice. Here are links to many platforms. You can share on whichever platform you want. And if you don't want to share on any platform, close this dialog box. And as soon as you close it, you will be able to see your short video in front of you. So now you can play it from here and watch your short video on YouTube. So, this short video of yours has been played here. This video will also be available in the short feed. And if someone is searching for color grading in Photoshop with gradient map, they can also find it. This is how you create and upload short videos for YouTube. This is a very simple task. Not that difficult. There is no rocket science in this. You can do this easily. This is how you can create Photoshop shorts from a desktop PC or laptop. I have made this video very easy to make new shorts. And for those who want to make and upload new shorts, this video is for them. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.